Hi everyone, this is Kyle from Harrington, Origami. This is my first giveaway I've ever staged on my YouTube channel, and I just want to say a few things about the current COVID-19 crisis going on. I know it's got a lot of people staying at home right now, and so to do my part, I'm going to be giving away a digital movie code for Godzilla King of the Monsters, one of my all-time favorite movies. So help me help you by staying home. Also, in this giveaway, you'll also get an Origami Batman. This is one of my newest designs. You can find it on my YouTube channel. There's a tutorial on how to fold it. It's really easy and fun to do. A lot of people have been really excited about it. I'm going to sign it, and you'll get that, and you'll get the digital movie code to watch Godzilla King of the Monsters. So, all you have to do to sign up and enter in is to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and give me a comment. Tell me what you're doing, or tell me what's your favorite video on my channel. So, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to me. And stay safe out there, everyone. #StaySafe, #StayHome. Bye.